Good morning, everyone. And all of you know that ChatGPT 5 is launched. Everyone is talking about it on LinkedIn and on social media. So I thought I will do a quick one demo of how ChatGPT looks like and how you can start going with. So change from today itself, when you open your ChatGPT, it will be completely different experience. They have cleaned their whole ChatGPT options. Before there were so many models, thinking and all those things. Now they have consolidated into ChatGPT 5, that is the flagship models, which knows according to your text that you are giving what they need to use and do the work. Do they need to use the reasoning? They need to use some specific tool like Google search or any other API to get the information? So now they have put everything together, and there is two options that are there. One is the flagship models, and I have selected GPT-5 thinking. What I right now I need to do is, I have our community directory, the memberships that people have filled. So what I want to do is, I want to create a very basic form, a community directory, like people who are business owners, who are industry owners, whatever it is. From this Excel form, I just want to create a community directory that looks like a web page where people can explore each other, what they are doing, and if they want to connect with each other, they can do it as well. So here I want to write this particular prompt. So I will try to do it in two prompts to see how accurate it is. Create a community directory with the directory with the data uploaded. Use this to create categories and information about the person, and a social link of LinkedIn to connect with if interested. Split according to industry, according to industry, business owners and industry leaders. So these are something that we can ask here, and others. So I have created a very basic prompt. I wanted to keep in two line, just to see how this thinks, and it does that particular word. Split according to and others. Relevant. Use the data to expand different tabs. This is okay. I'll just keep like this for now. I don't want to write it more. I just want to see how it works with this prompt in this Excel sheet. So I do this. So now it takes this Excel sheet and it is trying to understand what is there. You can see setting up the community directory. Uh, uh, so I hope it is smart enough to understand that I was asking for something like a web app. But let us see how it works with it. So I'll just take a pause till it is thinking, and if you can see the details that it is doing, it is even thinking, it is analyzing. It will take a couple of minutes to do that, and we'll be able to get back. I want an app website, not an Excel. Don't you understand? So it did not do a good job. If you can see, maybe I was not clear enough. So what it did, it just understood, did some basic details, and now it is doing this, designing the directory app. So you need to be little specific here. I did not mention I need to create a app. So now I think it is able to. Oh, I clicked a get a quick answer here. If you can see, I clicked a get a quick answer. That's the reason why it did not it was able to think about it. So what I request you to let it think and let it take some time. So now if you can see, it is writing the code. It is writing there. It is writing the code for the files that are there. It thought for 34 seconds, and it is like, if you can see, it is creating a website. You click this, It is going to give all the information. Um, so let us see. So it took couple of time, and if you can see, they have I have done run code. It has asked us to give some access. So good thing that it took the logo as well. So this is coming from the history that is there. So it has taken here. It has got something like this. Upload the latest membership export. Okay. So oh, that is nice. So I just took that Excel sheet. I put that Excel sheet here, and I got something like this.